Hey everyone, Wade here from Tutoring, and as always, it's nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on sensors, and this question was taken from the February-March 2015 DBE exam. So let's jump in. The data below represents the results of an investigation used to determine how the thickness of the lens changed as the pencil was moved away from the eye. Okay, so in this table, we've got distance from the eye, and we can see we've got increasing distance going down, and then the thickness of the lens, and we can see we've got decreasing thickness up to a point where it gets constant. Okay, the general conclusion that can be made from the data is that, is it A, as the distance from the eye increased up to 100 centimeters, the thickness of the lens increased, after which it remained constant. B, as the distance from the eye decreased, the thickness of the lens remained constant. C, as the distance from the eye increased up to 100 centimeters, the thickness of the lens decreased, after which it remained constant. Or is it D, the thickness of the lens increased with an increase in distance from the eye? Okay, let's go through the table again. We can see the distance from the eye, it increases as we go down. And what happens to the thickness of the lens? So as we increase our distance from the eye, the thickness of the lens starts to decrease up until 100 centimeters. And at that 100 centimeter mark, the thickness of the lens remains constant. So therefore, our answer is C. As the distance from the eye increased up to 100 centimeters, the thickness of the lens decreased, after which it remained constant. A is very similar, but in A, the reason it's not A is because it says as the distance from the eye increased up to 100 centimeters, the thickness of the lens increased. And it doesn't increase, it in fact decreases. Okay, so the correct answer here is C. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor. They helped make this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Also, be sure to visit our website for more of these epic video tutorials. And if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.